Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have an enemy battler pack of zombies, zombie nurses, and zombie mages by Singing Jewelry Box. A character art of a man in a suit with a Cantera as his head by Kurorin Shokai. A character art of a girl by Nia Hoya. A Twitter event by Gotcha Gotcha Games, where we submit a screenshot of a map made in MV or MZ with this hashtag Sukuru Challenge, and one winner will receive the Wizards Pack DLC. The deadline of the event is 4th November 2021. Burial, an adventure horror game about taking refuge in a church as you run away from a ghost. Broken Computer's Dream, a psychological horror game where you play as a corrupted avatar left inside a computer. An icon pack of home appliances and electronics by Suro no Irokuzu. A pack of 100 fantasy medieval icons by Blabla Guy. Wanderlust EP, a synth-pop music pack by Ordze. An MV plugin by Hacktix that plays a notification animation whenever the player picks up an item. An MV plugin by Napi that allows setting a common damage multiplier that applies to all skills. An MZ plugin by Toria Kontan that plays a sound effect whenever the balloon icon is displayed. An MZ plugin by Ramza that allows setting up shops where the player can buy skills. A pack of Halloween-themed sprites, battlers and music by Finuval and Spillycup. And lastly, a collection of horror-themed sprites and icons by the staff and members of the RPG Maker web forum. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.